Hey lads, TechScanning here. So just recently we have received the first look at the highly anticipated book-style foldable phone, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7. And now the vertically folding the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7 has also gone through the same destiny. So let's start with the most obvious change. So just a few days ago, the known tipster OnLeaks shared some renders of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7 showcasing a design similar to the Z Flip6. However, now the same tipster shared updated renders of the Galaxy Z Flip7. So as we can see, the Galaxy Z Flip7 will have a new all-screen design on its outside cover, ditching the folder-shaped cover screen on its predecessor. The two rear camera sensors and flashlight will be given through punch hole cutouts on the display, similar to Motorola Razr Plus generations and as also shown on their upcoming Razr Plus 2025 leaked renders. However, I think the Z Flip7's trendy, flatter design will give it more refined and elegant look. Now, considering this newer design, there is a bigger area for screen. So instead of the previously rumored 3.6 inches cover screen, as per the latest report, the Z Flip7 will have a 4.05 inches cover screen. So a huge cover screen like we used to see on Motorola Razr Plus 2024, which came with the 4 inches cover screen. For the rest of the design, it is pretty much the same, a punch hole style main screen. However, it will be 6.8 inches up from 6.7 inches. Reportedly, the display will sport a less visible crease, which is of course will be a welcoming upgrade. Now, the Z Flip7 is also said to have dimension-wise changes. Unlike the bigger size Z Fold7, which is getting an impressively slimmer body, the Z Flip7 is not getting any such big change. The Galaxy Z Flip7 will have the same flat sides design and 6.9mm thickness as its predecessor. However, it will be slightly taller, 166.6mm compared to 165.1mm, and wider, measuring 75.2mm compared to 71.9mm. So the same thickness but with a wider and marginally taller design as the Galaxy Z Flip6. So here it is how the Galaxy Z Flip7 will look like. Let me know what you think about it. Now specs wise, as we can see, it will retain a dual rear camera setup. There is said to be the same resolution, a 50MP main and 12MP ultra-wide sensors. But most likely the sensors will get some upgrades compared to the Z Flip6. On the performance side, things are not clear yet, as some rumors claimed Samsung may use its Exynos 2500 chipset instead of the top-notch Snapdragon 8 Elite. Now, talking about the pricing is still too early, but Samsung is expected to offer the same pricing for both the Z Flip7 and the bigger size Z Fold7. So by applying that, the Galaxy Z Flip7 could cost $1,099 and the Z Fold7 $1,899. Anyway, Motorola is also preparing to launch its Motorola Razr Plus 2025, a possible competitor to Z Flip7. Do check it out, click here. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.